Heidi ho, my lovelies, Mr. Wonderful here. So what's on the recipe today? What do you reckon? Yep, it's another ring. But tomorrow is going to be something totally different. You haven't seen it before. Or not on my channel anyway. In fact, I haven't seen anybody making what I'm going to be making tomorrow. So anyway, enough chit chat. Here we have a Swedish 5 kronor coin. Same old, same old. Let's punch a hole in it. This is a 1/2 inch punch. It's quite a big coin, so I'll use quite a big punch. 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch. I'd like to thank all my latest subscribers. And I got some good comments yesterday as well. That's somebody using a rock tumbler. Polished coins. I don't have a rock tumbler, but I might look into it. This is Big Bertha, my 20-ton arbor press. She's not leaking today, which makes a change. Usually she gets very damp on me. I have that effect on 20-ton arbor presses. Hydraulic presses. Arbor presses? What am I talking about? Right. There we go. One punched coin. Now I just want to clean up that inside edge. Make sure it's nice and clean. Yeah, I'm looking forward to tomorrow. It'll be a first for me. I haven't done these before. All these, that means there's more than one, doesn't it? Any ideas? Any ideas what I'm going to be making tomorrow? Come on. There's going to be 2 of them. They could be earrings, I suppose. They could be some sort of pendant with multiple coins on them. Write in the comments what you think it is. I bet you're excited now about tomorrow, aren't you? You can't wait for tomorrow to come to find out what I'm going to make. I know. It's difficult. Or a bit more. This is the 1 times magnification again. Instead of 1.3. Still a bit there. Well, it's plus 5 degrees C today here. Again. I can't believe it. This is amazing for Helsinki. I mean, further north there's snow, but I mean, it's just, there's no snow in Helsinki now. It's nearly all gone. You know, they piled it up, but because there's so much of it as well. Right. Let's whack on Bernie the fire starter. Show this baby a bit of love. If you're looking for a custom ring, I'm your man. Maybe. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. All the rings there, I can adjust the size up or down for you. There you go, that's pretty sexy. Right, quench, quench. Let's dry it off. Right, so this obviously is going to be face sunny side up on the ring. There's not a lot going on there. So 17-degree folding die. This is sunny side up on the ring, so this goes face down in a 17-degree folding die. Bang out. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers. Again, yesterday I had a couple more. There's a little button there, little red button. Press that. Come on, press it. Come on. Press it. And you're automatically subscribed. Hit the bell icon and you will be notified every time I upload a video. Oh yeah, butter. She's a good one. Let's break out sandy. God knows how this is still sanding. There's hardly anything on it, but we just want to clean up the edge, make sure it's nice and clean. No splits, no cracks, no potatoes in there, no sweet corn. There you go. Looking pretty good. Right, let's break out another bit of kitchen roll and we'll head over to Spike. There he is, our little baby. And you'll know what this does. It stretches your ring in a nice way. And you give it a bit of a turn, quarter of a turn each time. It just stretches the ring equally all the way around. Hopefully. I think I'll give it a bit more love with Bernie. Yeah, if you're looking for a custom ring, I've got loads of different coins. You can ask me what I've got, or you can even send me your own coins. I've still got this bloody head cold. I don't feel like shit anymore, but I've still got this head cold. And my hearing has totally gone weird. You know, when you're in an aircraft, it's just like that. But it's gone on for about 2.5 bloody weeks now. I don't feel crap anymore, but my hearing has just gone. Hey, what'd you say? Huh? Can you speak up a bit? My girlfriend's getting a bit pissed off with it. I keep saying, she's chatting to me and saying, what? Hey? Hey? What? So I've got cotton wool in my ears. Hey? What? What did you say? Right, let's whack it back on again. And give it a couple, well, quite a bit more. It's quite a big coin. This just prevents you from losing the detail on the inside of the coin. That's why I use the kitchen roll. Some guys use a plastic bag, but I prefer the kitchen roll. It's 2-ply, plus I double it over again. It's exciting, isn't it? I don't know how you contain yourselves watching this. You got any questions or wants or ideas? Anything you'd like me to make? Drop me a comment. There you go. Right, let's work hard again. So let's give it a bit more love. Miserable old day though, there's no sun, it's overcast, spitting with rain. I'd rather have the snow, makes everywhere look so much cleaner. Still the days are drawing out a bit more now, we're getting about 5-6 minutes a day. I love the summer, so it just doesn't get dark here for like 2 months. When I first moved to Finland, I used to have to put, when I was, you know, building the cruise ships and stuff like that, I used to have to put bin bags at the windows because I needed the dark. Because it just doesn't get dark for like, you know, 2 months. Like dark, I'm on about, you know, black night time. Right, let's go down to the bottom end of spike. These are reduction dies. And you just want to find one. Too small. Just right, the Goldilocks. And you want to straighten these. You want to straighten the walls up. Oh, look at that, perfection. I don't know how I do it first time, eh? I mean, I've only been doing this for about 6 or 7 months. So if you're thinking of doing something like this, it's it ain't rocket science, you know. And some people say it's really hard, but it's not. I mean, I've been used to using tools all my life as, you know, electrical engineer, and I've been making glass, jewellery and clocks for the past 22 years. And I got into this. I watched a few videos of a guy making them, and I thought, well, I can do that. So I bought the stuff, and there I am. I used to have a website selling my glass, but it was a waste of time. There's so many people on eBay and Etsy buying stuff from China for like nothing, and then sell it in their little online store for like €2 or €3, and I can't compete with them sort of people. I mean, I make my stuff. The glass costs more than that, you know, dichroic glass. But the rings are, yeah, though, considering I've only been doing it for about 6-7 months, I'm quite happy. I'm not selling loads, you know, but I don't do it for the money. I do it because I enjoy it. I must admit, 5 or 6 years ago, I never thought I'd have a YouTube channel. Well, if it weren't my girlfriend, I wouldn't have one now, because I'm rubbish on the old computer stuff, the interweb. I mean, I can send emails and, you know, shit like that. But give me a good fax machine, mate. Yeah. Right, there you go. That is now cleaned out, lovely jubbly. If you don't clean that out, it's uncomfortable to wear. So let's break out Dave the Dremel with Kate Bush. I'll zoom in a bit for this one. You can see a bit better. There you go. This is like quad zero steel wool. It doesn't really scratch it, it just gets the fire scale off. No, it brightens it up a bit. I prefer this look. I call it the Edwin look. It's a matte finish, you know, like but I'll tell you what, I'll polish this one. yeah, if you'd like to hit that subscribe button, it'll help me out a lot. It costs you nothing, you know, and it helps me out no end. Right, let's change her for Felton John. I think Felton John needs to be replaced very soon. I love the messy part. This is the best metal polish I could find. I've tried a few, but this seems to be the best one. The American guys use quite a good one, but I can't get it over here. I mean, pretty restricted what you can buy in Finland. There's only like 5.4 million people live there. It's twice the size of England. But I like it. There's loads of room, which is good. Right. Let's give it a bit of a wipe over. Another cloth, slightly cleaner. Yeah, so tomorrow, don't miss tomorrow. It's going to be something a bit different. I'm running out of ideas though, that's the problem. Of what else I can make for you. My friend Sarah in Drayton in Norfolk. Sarah and Richard Page, which I'll be visiting them next month. She's on about necklaces and bracelets. I'm going to do a bracelet. I'll probably do that. I don't know what today is. I'll probably do that maybe Saturday. I will be making a bracelet. Right, what we got? Plus, at the end of this, my girlfriend will clean it up more because my fingers are still covered in oil and polish. So, but yeah, it ain't too bad. And that's why you use the kitchen roll on the inside. There's not a lot of text on the inside of this. There's a bit. Oh, there you go, folks. What size did we get in the end? Probably 68, 69. 69.5. But I can make it bigger and I can make it smaller. So thanks for watching. And hit that subscribe button for me, please. And the like button. And you can hit any button you want, really. Have a great day and I'll catch you tomorrow. Tell me bye-bye.